Hey guys, Ryan here. Got a new video for you. I've had this probably about a month. It's a 1971 Case 220. There's carbs out on it for some reason, I don't know. But me and my dad, we put this back on it. Put duals on it too. It's more of a recovery vehicle on a off-road. So. Hydrostatic. Has hydraulics right here. And yeah. Sounds like. See, the motor is basically just for the hydraulics. Has a high and a low gear. Pretty hard to shift it into, but has a hitch on it. But yeah. By the way, there is a drift track video coming out pretty soon. I just have it up in the barn, so yeah, all I have to do is finish the back axle and the seat and the motor, and I got some of the frame done. So, but that's later because I might add some more stuff to this. So yeah, well, that's about it, guys. I'm gone.